Tech Library is here for all your tech tips and tricks needs. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a feature of Snapchat that many users are curious about, where I can find who has got the highest snap streak. Stay with us, we show you how to explore this amazing hidden feature in Snapchat. Now to start, let your device with the Snapchat application running and being logged into your account. Once you are in, go to the Snapchat home screen. Now, place your pointer on the top of the screen to reveal portion that contains the search bar. On the search bar, use whatever you have to type snap streak and then click on the result found. On the next page, there will be displayed snap streaks along with the streak numbers. On this page, you will find the scores of the various snap streaks. To find the best performing snap streaks, look at the numbers beside the snap streak labels and look for the largest numbers. Tapping on the name of any user takes the user to his/her profile page where more information regarding streak achievements is revealed. That way, you get to see the number of days they have had the streak and even wish them if you would like to. Well, there you have it. So, following these concise recommendations, you will be able to find out who is the winner in the Snap Streak game on Snapchat. Now, not only are you able to check your friends' streaks, but you might have a reek curiosity or just be a masochist. You can look up for the length of the longest streaks on Snapchat. If you enjoyed it, do not forget to like, share, and turn on the notification bell for more technology hacks. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below if there is any feature you wish we explain in the next post. Thank you for watching, and have a great time at the next episode of Tech Library.